This is typical of the sort of iterative sequence you get when you're trying to solve an equation by a numerical method. And if you were looking for your answer to 3 significant figures, you'd be pretty sure by this point that it was 3.98. But in fact, even if you kept going for another 100 iterations, you couldn't be sure. In order to justify the degree of accuracy, we're going to need to use a sign change test. To prove that our root is 3.98 to 3 significant figures, we need to show that it lies between this point and this point. In other words, in the interval 3.975 and 3.985. Looking at our iterative sequence, all we can really say is that the root appears to be 3.98 to 3 significant figures. We finish off the question with a sign change test. I'm just making these numbers up, of course, so you can see the idea. And we finish with a version of our sign change sentence which confirms that the root is what we suspected, 3.98 to 3 significant figures. That's all you need to know, but let's finish with a quiz. Each of the mice has been trying to solve an equation using a numerical method. Pink Mouse says her root appears to be 1.45 to 2 decimal places. Blue Mouse has this one, which she thinks is correct to 5 significant figures. And Purple Mouse says hers appears to be 0.020, correct to 2 significant figures. Even Blue Mouse knows that she can't justify her degree of accuracy without a check. So your job is to pause the video now and jot down the numbers that each mouse would need to put into the function for a sign change test. For Pink Mouse, the appropriate sign change test is between 1.445 and 1.455. For Blue Mouse, the test is between 3.08645 and 3.08655. And for Purple Mouse, the relevant numbers are 0.0195 and 0.0205. The mice say thank you for your contribution.